What's up, guys? We're going fishing today. It's a very, very cloudy day out here in Virginia Beach. Me and Vanessa, and then my buddy Jason and Grant are already out there just trying to get in the shot. So we got the kayaks out. Let's see here. Got my Blair Wiggins signature poles rigged up with the Penn Fierce 4000. And then this is Spin Fisher. This is the 4500 series.
Got an ugly stick over here with Shimano reel.
Yeah, I got the Access 11.5, and then this is actually probably one of my favorite reels lately.
Shimano 5000?
Yeah, hold on a second.
It's a Nasi.
So Nasi, and then it's the C5500 series. It's paired up with the Shakespeare Ugly Stick Elite. Today we are targeting flounder. My main target is I gotta try and get some bait first. We have some gulp to if I don't get any bait, so that's kind of backup plan. There were some rumors that the flounder are starting to come in already, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, but I'm gonna try and get some mullet or mud minnows or something, so I'm gonna try and do that first. You struggling with the anchor or falling over? Yeah. Kind of. All right, so go ahead and throw the anchor in the kayak, and then you'll reel up the rest, the slack. Get the grass off of it. Yeah, I mean, but we don't even really need the anchors right now. It's not even really that, the current's not bad. We ain't caught nothing. Toss it over your head. I got like 1.5 ounces of weight, and it's still getting dragged. I got like 1 ounce, and then I got that half jig head. Crazy, and it's still getting dragged. All it's doing is just getting me a bunch of grass, dude. I got so much grass on this thing. This thing needs a good cleaning. You hear that? Yeah. Yeah, this thing needs a... Look at all this grass, man. Look at this thing. It's enough for a wig. Make a mustache out of this. Look at these 2 lover birds over there. I'm gonna go fish. What was that? What was that? Is that a fish? Oh no, that's there's some ducks. Going with the current. Whoa. Right on. Alright, I gotta set my anchor down here. Let's try and fish this spot. Hold up. You gotta do this very quickly. Ugh. Oh man, not prepared, not prepared. Ah. Uh-oh. Put this here. Let's straighten out a little bit. All right, now we let it go. It's not very deep. Wow, I thought it was gonna be a lot deeper than that, but I was wrong. All right, we need to hook this, send it to the front. There we go. So then it's gonna turn us and hook. Oh man. All right, cool. Now we gotta put this back here. Oh, dude, there's minnows. Wow, there's a bottle of trash right there. That's lame. Yo. Yeah. Go over to like where my line is over here, and then drop anchor, and then as soon as you do, put the trolley up front, because then it's not gonna grab it. Because if it starts pulling you sideways, then it's gonna drag. Yeah. But unhook it from the carabiner. It's not gonna let it sink. Yeah, go ahead. Because it's a breakaway. Go ahead and throw it. You can. It's not that shallow. I mean, you're gonna be further back. You gotta realize that. Hopefully it grabs. I got one left. Well, you gotta come get it. I don't know what it is either. Was it a bluefish? I think so, yeah. Yeah. I don't want anything to do with that. Bluefish? Yeah, a little bluefish. You guys are stuck. You guys are so cute. I did take her turkey hunting yesterday, I guess. She was bitching. We were like walking through fields and she was just straight bitching. Yeah. Well, the shitty part is that we went to like the left side of the fields. When we went back, the former told us that there were 2 flocks of them in the right field. I was like, you're kidding me. Is that a mullet, really? That's not a bluefish. That is definitely not a bluefish.
Oh hell no, it is not.
What the hell is that thing?
It's a mullet, dude.
That's cute.
No, dude, mullets are fatter. They have a fatter head. That's like a little tarpon. What is this?
It is like a little tarpon.
Dude, hold up. Hold him up real quick.
It looks like a tarpon. Look at the mouth on it.
I didn't grab onto that. I grabbed onto the side.
What? No, that's I don't think that's a tarpon.
What the hell is that?
I have no idea.
Looks like a mullet.
I think it's a bluefish.
It's not a bluefish. I have no idea. What?
We have no idea.
Dude, I don't know if I have absolutely no idea what that fish is either. Yeah. What'd you catch him on? A little paddle tail. All right.
What did you get it with? A paddle tail?
No, the little gold. Dude, what if it is like a little tarpon?
I think their heads are bigger. I think tarpon's heads are bigger.
It's not a tarpon.
I have no idea. No, dude, shads have wider bodies. Tarpons have bigger heads.
Did you see the way it jumped?
Did it jump?
Yeah, it jumped like crazy.
Huh. I don't know. Maybe. But all the tarpons I've seen are like smaller than that. Or, I mean, they have a bigger head. I don't know. This is weird. It's a strarpon. It's a strap-on. Oh, yo! Oh, he was right here. Dude, are you serious?
They're coming right after.
Yo, he came right after it.
I'm not timing on too good.
Dude, what? He came right to the boat.
What was it?
The same thing.
Another one is.
It was another one.
Are you just reeling it in?
Yeah, I'm just. Oh.
You still have the same thing on there?
Yeah, the same thing.
Are you anchored in right now?
No, I'm not anchored in. I'm just like
Float.
pushing. Yeah, I'm just floating back. Yeah, literally just cast it right there.
I want to use something where I can catch something.
Dude, he almost hit it. He almost,
Throw it in?
literally just throw it right over there and just, yeah.
I don't want to catch like anything. I don't even care if it's a skate.
We're not catching skates here.
Yeah, I want to catch a skate.
Yeah. They're like up there. They're up there. Same thing. I said same thing. Oh man. Oh no. Ugh. He's like barely hooked. He's barely hooked. See if I can try out my net. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got to use my net. Oh, did you see that quick flick of the wrist? Oh dude, look, it came off. I told you. He was barely hooked. He was barely hooked. Oh dude, there's sea lice on him. That's gross.
Get a good picture of yours too.
I am. Dude, what is this thing?
I think, look at the mouth on it.
So weird. What is this thing?
Is it a shad?
I don't know, dude. He's got stripes. He's got stripes. He's got a tarpon mouth. I have no idea.
Mine was bigger than that too.
Dude, what the I have no idea what this thing is. Oh well. There he goes. Well, I got to use the net. That's all I wanted. Dude, I didn't think I was gonna get this open. I just went, oh yeah. That's all I wanted. Sorry, let's see. Oh, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're right in the corner up there. Oh, is that through? Oh, okay. Oh, dude, what the? See if he hits it again. Oh, I think he hit it. Damn, that was close. Cast on your right side. That was like 2 feet away from me. Damn, that grabbed. What's up?
How about that for anchor?
Yeah, I know. Whatever that is. Got one. Dude. Yeah, you don't want to. Oh, dude. Yeah, that's why you don't want to do that. Oh, man. Yeah. Dude, that sucks. Got you right in the finger. Oh, mini tarpon.
Yeah, yours on?
Yeah, it's on.
Here, hit the button on mine.
Is it filming? Alright, there we go.
Another weird one. I have no idea what it is.
We post it on TKA or
Look at
something.
the mouth on that thing. I just don't know. It's bear lures. I was right up by, like right beside your foot.
Yeah, they probably followed all the way back. Quick update, guys. We caught a couple of those little mystery fish. We have absolutely no idea what they were. They kind of looked like they had stripes like a striper. They had a mouth of a tarpon, but they were relatively skinny. So I've never really caught one of those before. Neither has Grant, so we don't really know what they are. But they were busting on bait by the bridge. And he caught his on a mirror lure, so bait like this big with like treble hooks. I caught mine on a swimming mullet gulp. I saw him come right up to the boat the first time, and he almost hit it. And then 10 minutes later, I cast it into a school of bait that I saw, and they were below it, just blowing up under it. And he ended up biting it. But yeah, if you guys know what that fish is, go ahead and comment below what you think it is or what you know it is. Just let me know, because we really have no idea. We're out, just so you guys have an idea, we're out in Virginia Beach, out at Rudy Inlet, so it's salt water. It's all salt water. And it is, yeah, the temperature right now is like, I don't know, 55, 60-ish. It was like 70, 75 earlier, but it's just, as you guys can see, it's kind of overcast. As you guys can see, it's overcast right now. The tide's coming in, and they were definitely chasing little minnows. So, But yeah, I'm gonna start paddling back towards the back, see if we can find any more fish before we head on our way out. I wore shorts today, which was not a good idea, so starting to get a little cold. Look at these two loverbirds. That's Jason and Vanessa sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. So he is paddling her while she's fishing. That must be the life, huh? Being a girl, all you gotta do is bat your eyelashes and say pretty please, and that's what you get. I bet they didn't even catch anything. Missing all the lip ripping action while they're over here fooling around. These two. Grant's all the way back there. Yeah, he's all the way back there. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not joined us yet on their Facebook group, make sure to do that. The link will be down in the description below, where I post my watch list for you guys every single day. Lastly, if you guys are curious on how I learned how to trade, I provided you guys with the discount code in the description. It comes with one-on-one mentoring, classes, and buying power, so make sure to take advantage of that. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.